Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about what is Meetup.com. Meetup.com is a networking website, if I should say, where you can connect with different people in your area who are interested in the similar activities as you are. So basically, if you like cooking, if you like hiking, if you like technology, if you like beekeeping, if you like, if you are an entrepreneur, if you like tech startups, technology, etc., you can go to meetup.com. Yeah, you can sign up, you can log in with your account, and then you can join different groups, and those groups where they host different kind of events every now and then, and you can attend them as per your convenience, and that will increase your network around your area. So basically, it's super simple. You register an account, you type your location, you choose your circle, how long you want to travel, and you can search what kind of activities you would like to go and attend. So when you search, you'll see the events around you, and then you can click on those events, and voila, you can just read through and join the community and go to their events, and fantastic, you meet new people around your place, and you increase your network. Now the other thing is, you can also leverage Meetup to actually run your own community group, and this is amazing because what you have to do is I was just around setting my own group, Derby Startups. So what you have to do is you just have to click on create a group, and I'll show you how, and then just type the location, click on next, choose what things you want to do into your network, click next, group name, type in the group name, describe what this group is going to be about, what kind of people should join the group, and what kind of things you will be doing in the group, agree to their terms and conditions, and then pay for their subscription packages. And this way you can create a group. Now you must be thinking, is it worth it? Well, let me tell you something. I used to run a very big group, startups in Northeast. That was in Newcastle in England. Let me quickly search it. There we go. Alright, so as you can see that this is a business success in the Northeast group. I used to run this group when I was in Newcastle, and I grew it to 960 people, and you can see that you can see the events in the group below here, and then if you go quite past, you will see past events here, and then when you click on these events, you will see that I used to host it, and then you'll see pictures here where you can see doing some talks here in this group. So it was amazing experience with this managing this group. Meetup.com actually helps you to spread the word in the city. People join in, and then you can start hosting events and networking and helping other people. On the other hand, when you host events with Meetup, you can actually sell tickets for your events, and if you don't want to pay a commission on selling the tickets, if you want to sell it for free, directly get the money into your account, you can use another website which I used to do in my events, which is bile.com. It's a free website where you can sell your events, and it's super easy. You just register an account, click on your dashboard, event, and then just add an event. Make sure before adding an event you connect your PayPal account under the payment section, and that will ease up your overall experience with Bile.com. It's super easy, and it's super fast in terms of getting traction to your events, because it has a lot of marketing tools attached with your event. So Meetup.com is amazing, and I would recommend you to register on it if you want to connect with other people, and if you want to host something on the same to get ahead in your networking goals. Cheers.